Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. TVJ News has been informed that a member of the Jamaica Defense Force has been taken into custody after being seen in a viral video in which gunmen were firing weapons along Jarrett Lane on Easter Monday. Jarrett Lane is located off Mountain View Avenue in St. Andrew. It's understood that the man has also been dismissed from the military and is now under investigation by the police. In the video, two men were seen firing a barrage of bullets in the air during a heated dispute among a group of patrons at an event. On Wednesday, the police high command launched a massive operation in Jarrett Lane in search of the men. More than a dozen people were detained and several rounds of ammunition seized. The police have since listed two men whom they say were involved in the incident.